This is a set of Infinity in iCar plate speakers from 1982. These came out in the same year as the Infinitesimal III, which is a bookshelf. It's basically the same speaker, except that these are made for vehicle use. The tweeter, the shape is different on the iCar. They're square instead of the round Emit tweeter. Take one of the covers off so you can see what they look like. You have a 5-inch mid-range and the square ribbon Emit tweeter. These are nice, and the reason why they survived all this time is that the suspensions are not your typical foam. These are rubber suspensions. They have a circuit breaker where it's labeled fuse. This is the back side of them. This is where the crossover is. The crossover is set at 3500 hertz. These speakers can handle up to 100 watts RMS. These are 4 ohm. The frequency response on these is 40 hertz to 3200 hertz. They're pretty hard to find these days. I mean, even back when they were made, they weren't easy to find. There wasn't that many of these going around. So if you happen to find a set, they might not be as as well taken care of as these. They might be a little rough. These were not installed in a vehicle for too long. They were actually uninstalled. This is what the previous owner told me. They were uninstalled, and then they were mounted into a cabinet, like a bookshelf type of cabinet. So yeah, they were used as a bookshelf speaker, indoors. So that that's part of the reason why they stayed in such good shape. Yeah, these covers go on that way, and they're attached with 2 fasteners, as you can see on this side. They're about 2.5 inches in depth, so you can fit these anywhere. That was one of the advantages of mounting plate speakers, is that you can more or less install them anywhere. Thank you for watching.